Sometimes you clean your washing machine and it mysteriously manages to smell even worse afterwards. If there's a burning or chemical smell, this could mean something is broken in your machine, in which case you should contact a professional to look at it. If the machine smells damp or like eggs, this probably just means that you have loosened the dirt and grime, but it hasn't been flushed away from the insides of the machine completely. Aside from the smell being even worse, you might find you can see black specks of dirt, or that the wastewater has a nasty colour to it. This is especially likely to happen if you've cleaned the washing machine for the first time in a long while, or if you've been washing very dirty laundry. Your machine should have a service wash or clean cycle setting, which is designed to clean the inside of the washing machine. This cycle should be used with an empty drum, as it's designed to clean the washing machine itself rather than your laundry. These cycles run at a high temperature, which should kill bacteria while the water flushes out any dirty residue. Run the clean cycle and see if this removes the odour. If you don't see a clean cycle setting on your machine, you can simply choose the hottest washing temperature available and run a cycle with no laundry in the drum. If this doesn't fix things, check the drain to make sure that it's clear and there isn't a backlog of stagnant water. If the drain is clear and you still haven't shifted the smell, it could be an issue with the seal around the washing machine door. The seal is exposed to dirty laundry, water and chemicals, so it's no surprise that this is a common culprit of a nasty smell. If the seal has developed mould and it has been able to sit there unchallenged for long periods of time, it can start to damage the rubber seal itself. It's important to catch mould in the seal early on so that you do not need to fork out for a new door seal. You can easily clean a mouldy washing machine door seal with white vinegar and a brush such as a toothbrush or a nail brush. Another place where mould can build up is in the detergent drawer. If there's a serious build-up in your detergent drawer, this could make your machine smell, so it's important to keep it clean. To summarise, running a hot service wash with an empty drum should fix a smelly washing machine in most cases. Running one of these cycles once a month or so is a good way to prevent bad smells from building up. Another good practice is to keep the washing machine door open when you're not using it. This will allow it to dry out, so mould and bacteria will be less likely to accumulate. I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more home care, laundry and washing machine tips. Thanks for watching.